Hey there, it's Tutornex. And in today's lesson, let's make sure you can multiply and divide surds without any mistakes, so you never get stuck in exams. Let's get into it. The nice thing about surds is that when you multiply, you can simply put them under one root. So for an example, we have the square root of a multiplied by the square root of b. And this is simply equal to the square root of a. Notice that they're both square root and it's multiplication. So we can just house them under the same square root. As you can see, it's still a multiplied by b under square root. Likewise, for division, if we were to have the square root of x divided by the square root of y, you see, this can simply be written as the square root of x divided by the square root of y. And since they both have the same house or the same roof, we can put them together and we just have the square root of the whole fraction x divided by y, just like that. Now let's put this into action. So first up, we have root 2 times root 8. And of course, since they're both square root or root to the 2, we can house them together, and we're going to have the square root of 2 multiplied by 8. And then of course 2 times 8 is simply 16, and of course, for convenience sake, 16 is a square number, which gives us 4. So the square root of 16 is simply 4. So now if you're to punch this literally, square root of 2 multiply the square root of 8, you're going to get a final answer of 4. And if we're to have the square root of 18 divided by the square root of 2, we know that, okay, since they have the same roof, this can simply be represented as the square root of 18 divided by 2, you see. And you know that 18 divided by 2 is simply 9, so we're going to have the square root of 9, and of course this is a square number, so my final answer is simply 3. Alternatively, someone may have simplified the root 18 first before actually dividing. And in this case, we know that the factors of 18 are simply 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. And of course, choosing the pair that has at least one square number is 9. You see, so I know that the square root of 18 is the same as the square root of 2 times 9 divided by the square root of 2. And then of course, when we split this up, since they're under one roof, we're going to have root 2 multiplied by root 9 divided by root 2. And of course, when we cross out root 2, we're going to be left with root 9, which of course is simply equal to 3. So notice here that there's no one way of simplifying surds. Us just using the division method is just another way of doing it. And then of course, for the third example, we have the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of 5. When we house them under one roof, we're going to have the square root of 3 times 5, which gives us the square root of 15. This can no longer be simplified because my factors for 15 are 1 and 5, 5 and 3, you see. But we don't have any square numbers or any square factors for 15. Hence, this is as simple as it can get. Nice and easy. And here's some extra questions for you to try. Of course, leave your answers in the comment section or email me at tutornax.success@gmail.com. And remember, combine under one root and simplify as best as you can. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a study buddy. And I'll see you in the next video with me, Tutornex. Simplifying success, one question at a time.